Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and we're moving right along on Christmas Day. It's about noon, got a little rumble in your tummy, but you need something quick because you got a lot of other Christmas crap to do. How about a holiday grilled cheese? Alright, first thing we want to do is preheat a griddle, be it on a gas range, electric range, or an electric griddle, and get yourself 2 pieces of white bread. By the way, don't forget to check out other episodes of Dave's Cooking Show coming to you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to leave a comment. Helps the channel out a ton. And don't forget to click the bell notification. Anytime I go live, you will be notified. All right, we have our cheese, nice little bit of Munster. Now I'm going to lay down some smoked turkey. And then some cranberry sauce from a can. A little bit of Dijon mustard. And then a piece of Colby Jack cheese. Finally, top with the other piece of bread, and of course, now time to spread the butter. And then finally, we're going to griddle this up for a couple of minutes on each side until everything is golden brown. Let's skip ahead to the end. All right, give this a flip, get the other side golden brown like this, and serve this up. And yeah, that should serve as a perfectly good lunch. We're going to plow right into a little drink, and then, of course, Christmas dinner. So that's a holiday grilled cheese. Done.